YouTube. Wanted to make a quick video for the 05 to 07 Silverado Sierra guys that are trying to install a billet steering wheel into their trucks, like this. In 05, I believe, or maybe 04, but I'm pretty sure it's 05. They switched the steering shafts in these trucks, and I had to buy a bunch of different steering wheel adapters to finally figure out which one truly worked. I ordered a bunch off Amazon and eBay that were listed as 99 to 07, but they don't fit. Like I said, after doing some research, I found out that in 05, they changed the steering wheel in these trucks and changed the actual size of the steering shaft. So I think I went through 4 or 5 different adapters, like I said, that I ordered off eBay and Amazon that were listed as the 05 or 99 to 07, and they did not fit. And I couldn't make them fit. You can't really, modify them to make them fit. It's just they're just completely wrong. And I don't think the companies do it on purpose. I just don't think they realized, in 05 they changed the shaft in these trucks. But anyways, after a lot of research and trying different ones, I finally found that NRG makes one that actually fits this truck, and I'm pretty positive they're the only people on the market right now that actually make one that fits this truck. I mean, I spent days trying to figure this out, pulling steering wings off, installing adapters, putting it all back together, getting a new one, redoing that whole process. It was a real pain in the butt. So the NRG was my last option. The NRG was my last option as far as the ones I was wanting to buy, because it is the most expensive. But like the old saying goes, you get what you pay for, and it's the only one that worked. I'll throw the picture of the part on the screen right now for you guys that shows the part number, and I'll put the link in the description below so you can go buy this if you want. I am not sponsored by NRG or Forever Sharp or any of these companies. Paid for all this stuff out of my pocket, so just trying to pass the research on to the next guy and save y'all some trouble. But I love the way it looks. I got the Forever Sharp billet window cranks, and put some billet AC vent accents on, and changed the AC knobs, the ones with a little bit of chrome on them, which I have another video on my channel if you want to go see how to do that mod. But I just was trying to class up this work truck interior a little bit and kind of do a nod back to the early 2000s and 90s when everybody was doing billet stuff. But like I said, that's a Forever Sharp 15-inch billet steering wheel. It looks great in the truck, super comfortable, feels real nice. NRG also makes a adapter that will bolt onto that adapter, so you can make that steering wheel a quick release. That way if you want to pop it off and take it with you so nobody steals your truck, or honestly it makes it a lot easier if you ever got to work on anything in the dash or radio or whatever, you can just pop that thing off and give yourself lots of room. So there's benefits to it. But yeah, man, I hope this video helps some of you guys out. Like I said, I spent a lot of time trial and error and research trying to figure this out. My airbag, I don't got an airbag light because I bought these little things off Amazon. I'll throw those on the screen and link those in the description below. But you can put those, basically it's plug and play. You just plug them into the airbag harness, and it tricks the airbag computer into thinking that the sensors are still in there. Obviously I don't have an airbag anymore, but the computer thinks I do, so you're not gonna have an airbag light on all the time. So that's pretty nice. But anyways guys, it's a real nice fit and finish. When you install it, there's a little plastic these plastic pieces right here. It has a little lip on it that comes out a little bit. You will have to cut that little lip off and sand it flush for this NRG to sit flush against the steering column. That's literally the only so-called modification you're gonna have to do to your truck. But it's really easy. You can do it with a razor knife and some sandpaper just to clean up your edges. but once you go to install it, you'll realize what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, if this video helped y'all out, hit that like button. Drop a comment if y'all know for sure of any other companies making steering wheel adapters that will fit on a 2005 and you've done it and you know, because I watched some videos on YouTube and the guys were saying they worked, but as the video went on, they found out that they didn't work, or they did some really janky stuff to make it work. This right here, 100% safe, good as factory, no issues to worry about as far as safety wise. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Go check out the channel. I got tons of other videos. I got old trucks, new trucks, Jeeps, all kinds of stuff we build here on the channel. But yeah, thanks for watching. And if you want to see a full video on this truck right here, I'm going to film that right after I get done filming this. It is actually the day of a hurricane, or the day before a hurricane. So just trying to kill some time before the storm hits. But that's why I'm out here in the rain. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.